Welcome back, gardeners. In today's video, we're focusing on one of the most important steps in growing healthy pepper plants, soil preparation. Whether you're planting in the ground or in containers, getting the soil right is key to a successful harvest. Let's dive into how to prepare your soil for optimal growth. For in-ground planting, start by loosening the soil to a depth of about 12 inches to ensure good root penetration. Peppers thrive in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Test your soil's pH and adjust if necessary using lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure will improve soil fertility and structure, providing the nutrients your pepper plants need to grow strong and healthy. If you're planting in containers, choose a high-quality potting mix that's light and well-draining. Ensure the mix is rich in organic matter and has a balanced pH, similar to in-ground soil. Peppers in containers need more frequent feeding, so consider mixing in slow-release fertilizer to provide a steady supply of nutrients throughout the growing season. Regardless of where you're planting, remember to avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to lush foliage but fewer peppers. Water the soil thoroughly after planting to help the roots establish, and keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged as your peppers grow. With the right soil preparation, your pepper plants will have the best possible start, leading to a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!